Didn't make it to the last meeting? Not a problem. I prepared a bit of footage to describe what the discussion was about, and we talked about a system that has brought my subscribers and me tremendous value over the last few years. We're shorting the AUDCAD here. As you can see, many trades together exit in the basket to produce a small profit, doing this over and over and over again. So we started this testing for 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, and in 2014 we went live, and 2015, and 2016, and then 2017 just began, so we don't have enough data. We're only up to March. So in the remainder of this content, I'm going to simply show you how I pump this through the tester to produce these results. Looking at AUDCAD, we can clearly see a rising chart pattern and then mainly flattening off. I'm going to separate every single year so that we can clearly see exactly each individual year, and we're going to be shorting this pair. Okay, so we're going to run the strategy through the tester, select the right pair. We're looking for AUDCAD in this moment. Where is it here? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is on the bottom. Perfect. Let's pick the years. In this case, we're going to go 2009 to 2010. We're going to do every single year separately. It speeds the test up a little bit if we're going to do more testing now. Make sure it's on M1, meaning 1 minute every single minute. We're going to widen the spread till 3 pips. Sometimes it's narrower, but I like to keep it a little bit wider. So 3 pips, 30 in this case is 3 pips. Oh, what's going on? Ah, yeah, we're missing data, so we got to go into the data history center. First, let's check. Okay, these numbers have to be quite wide on the chart, and I usually enable these irrelevant for testing, but I want these on when I'm running live strategies. Okay, going back to tools. Nope, not here. Going back to, yeah, history center. Okay, yeah, there's the problem. So we only have 16,000 minutes, which is like half a month. So we need to import some data. We need to import the minutes for the entire time that we want to test. So I already downloaded it. There it is, 2009. It's pretty quick. Okay, there you see it's 2009. You push OK. And you see the number growing there, number of records. So, all right, continuing on, we're going to do the rest of the years too. 2010. Import. Browse. 2011. And OK. Import. Browse. 2012. And we're going to do this for every single year. 2013. 2014. And we want to test strategies on preferably as much data as we have available. (2016), and then we got a couple loaner months here, January and February as well. I'm gonna add. All right, there it is, January and February. So that's okay. Now that's all that's in. We already got March. It just comes with the terminal. So there we go. So here we go. Just check. I'm looking at the years mainly so that I've uploaded all of them. Okay, great. I'm going to close this. Feeling confident. And let's try that again. So we're going to use the same years and start the strategy tester. Okay, so that's good. We got data, and now we're going to speed this up by moving this bar. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that. Widen this a little bit. I'm going to squish the chart so that we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so as the time goes by, the chart is drawing the minutes from the data that we imported, and we're shorting AUDCAD. And if the trade goes against us, we build a position, and we're getting rid of that position as a basket. So multiple trades going out. Okay, single trades going in, multiple trades going out. Now, it just depends on the back end of the algorithm. In this case, in the presets, it's quite straightforward for me. It's going to be selling in profit at the yellow line and the blue line. The blue horizontal line is the break even. So we're looking for a small profit as a basket. Okay, and we never know when the market's going to go where. So we have to test on the entire available data that we have so that we can build a solid and robust strategy that can produce pips. Okay, so in order for us to do this a little bit quicker, because at this rate it's going to take the whole day. Now when you push skip 2, you see that the chart is going to pause, but actually it doesn't pause. In the back end it's working quite fast. So I'm pushing end right now on my keyboard, and the more I push end, the more I see to the end of the chart, which is the most current data that's been pushed through. And so I will just push on the graph now. There you have it. We're actually getting a profit curve, which is quite linear in its appearance. So now I'm continuing to push end. So if you push end or you hold end, it will just do that so much quicker, but you don't have to. It's just good to know. And also page up and page down will move it as much as you want, forward or backward. So we're already in February, and you can pretty much get it. If the price goes against us, we're accumulating trades, disposing them in positive, looking for a small profit, and starting the cycle over and over and over again. I'm going to widen this a little bit. I think we've seen enough. I'll just leave it on the profit growth chart, and I'll just let the entire year run out, and then we'll go through all the years just to make sure that the results are good and see what the report says. So I'm going to let it go from here.